As you inhale, raise your hands up, stretch your hands to the back. Exhale, bend forward, lengthen your spine and slowly go all the way down. Drop your head, relax your neck. As you inhale, get your right leg forward. In case your right leg does not come all the way forward, you can get your left knee on the floor and then walk your right leg forward or get it forward with your hand. Up into the inverted V pose. Try and touch your heels to the floor. Try to lengthen your spine. Exhale, get your knees down. Feel like you're doing a push-up. Get your chest down and your chin down. Your hips will be raised up a little bit. Get your body down on the floor. Inhale. Slowly coming up. Look up with your head into Bhujangasana. And then walk your right leg forward. Inhale, raise your hands up. Stretch. Stretch. Remember not to drop your head down like this. Stretch to the back. Exhale, join your palms together. Breathe.